How are app exam curves actually determined? Have you ever wondered how your score on an advanced placement exam is calculated? It's not as simple as just counting correct answers. The process is quite interesting and involves a method called equating. This ensures that scores are fair and consistent across different exam versions and years. Let's break it down step by step. First, when you take an advanced placement exam, you receive a raw score. This score comes from the number of questions you answer correctly in both the multiple choice and free response sections. The raw scores are combined based on specific weightings. For some exams, both sections might be weighed equally, while others may give more importance to one section over the other. Next comes the equating process. Each year, the difficulty of the exam can vary. To address this, the College Board uses equating to adjust scores. This process involves comparing student performance on common questions or groups of students who took similar exams. For instance, if one year's exam is harder, a raw score on that exam might translate to a higher scaled score than the same raw score on an easier exam. After equating, the composite raw scores are converted into the familiar advanced placement score scale, which ranges from 1 to 5. A score of 5 is the highest possible score. The cutoffs for each score can shift slightly each year based on the exam's difficulty and overall student performance. However, these cutoffs generally ranges within a consistent range. The main goal of this system is to ensure that a score of 3 represents the same level of achievement no matter which year or version of the exam you took. This consistency helps colleges trust that advanced placement scores accurately reflected student knowledge and skills. For 10th graders preparing for advanced placement exams, understanding this scoring system is important. It highlights the value of mastering the material instead of worrying about how curves might affect your score. Since the scoring adjusts based on exam difficulty, focusing on your preparation is the best strategy. Effective time management during study sessions and on test day is key. Practicing both multiple choice and free response questions and reviewing past exams can significantly improve your raw score. This raw score is what ultimately translates into your final advanced placement score. In essence, the process of determining advanced placement exam curves is a careful statistical method called equating. It adjusts for differences in exam difficulty to maintain fairness and consistency across years and test versions. So, when you receive your score, it reflects your achievement level based on a standard set by the College Board, rather than just how other students performed on that specific test.